Hi guys, a very good afternoon, and what you're seeing here is our lunch for today, and I'll be showing you the bill first just to know the prices. So we have ordered four things from double roti. So the first is this one. I was really craving for chocolate mousse. Actually, I wanted chocolate cheesecake, but okay, this is what I got on Swiggy. So yeah, we ordered it from Swiggy. So this is the bottle. It looks really classy, and I think it has some nuts in here. Yeah, it looks really yummy actually. So let's just open and see how it is. So it's very creamy and yummy. This is how it is, and let's close it and keep it aside. Next, I ordered two frozen chicken patty, which we can eat in bread, or we could actually order even burger buns from double roti. We already had bread at home, so I thought, okay, let's avoid unnecessary purchases, and we ordered this has two frozen chicken patties, and this costs 250 rupees. So this 250 rupees. Chocolate mousse is 190 rupees, and the next order is uh, just a second. So it's ginger chili hoisin pork burger, and this is the packaging. By the way, I love the packaging. It's kind of secure, especially in the COVID days. You need a secure packaging and not something that is very easily open, because it transfers from hand to hand. So I think secure packaging is very much necessary. I'll just open this quickly. So this is how the packaging is again. Here's the burger, and it looks really yummy. Not sure if I could open this or would it leak. And this is how the burger actually looks like. Ta-da! It looks really yummy though. Okay, I'll quickly close it because I don't want it to go cold. I want it to stay warm. You can also preheat it in case if it goes cold. You can heat it in your oven, microwave. And then this is the chipotle chicken burger. So this is the fourth order that we got. The price of ginger chili hoisin pork burger was 415 rupees, and this one is rupees 395 rupees. This one, and okay, I'll open this as well. So this is how it is. Again, great packaging, classy. It's written double roti everywhere, and it's what do you say? It's not just normal paper. It is the butter paper kind of thing. So the oil wouldn't actually secrete through the paper bag or something. And this is how the chicken chipotle burger looks like. And there's a huge patty with a lot of chipotle sauce, tomatoes, and it's kind of stuck, so I cannot open it. Okay, so I'm gonna close this again so that it doesn't go cold. And this was our order for lunch. They have also provided some tissues and wooden spoon and some ketchup. Yeah, they have provided some ketchup here. So this is what is our lunch for today. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you think this is a good option, because yeah, it's COVID days. We should people would have a thought that we shouldn't order from Swiggy, Zomato, etc. But there are times when you tend to get bored, and you have a lot of work and you tend to not have time for cooking. So that is one of the good options, and I say double roti is really safe and one of the yummiest food they have in the menus. And yeah, you can go ahead and order from double roti. This is a non-sponsored video. I'm just recommending here, just saying like which what food that we have ordered, and literally I love this one a lot. So yeah, so guys, if in case you love mousse jars, I love jars. Anything dessert in a jar, I love it. So thank you. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and like this video and share this video.